know how to change the oil in your car? You go ask Dad. And if you're interested in grilling a steak to perfection, Dad is your guy. But if you're interested in looking like a sexy, handsome son of a bitch, you come ask Alpha. Because Dad's amazing at a lot of things, but looking super devastatingly handsome happens not to be one of them. And so today, I'm going over 6 handsomeness secrets that Daddy didn't teach you. The first handsomeness secret that Daddy didn't teach you, but Alpha will, is all about obtaining an incredibly smooth and kissably soft mouth. Yeah, exactly. That would be an awkward conversation that you just don't want to have with Dad. But I'm also going to take it a step further. Hands. I want your cuticles to be super smooth and sexy as well. Vaseline is all you need for super soft, kissably smooth lips. You think any spicy senorita wants you putting these grubby little paws all over her super sexy body? Girls don't notice your hands. Yes, they do, gentlemen. Don't listen to your dad. Listen to Alpha. Boom. Look at that. A little shine, little softness. These puppies are ready for touching. Second handsome secret your daddy didn't teach you, but Alpha will, is that Manscaping makes it look amazing. Your mother loves a big man bush. I don't know what your mom likes. All I know is that 99.9.75% of the ladies don't prefer a dude with a big mountain of man pubes. Instead, scape, baby, scape. It's all about manscaping and crafting and cultivating and developing an aesthetic pubic region. Not only is it going to make you look more amazing when you're naked, it's also going to make it look massive. The third handsomeness secret that Daddy didn't tell you, but Alpha will, is that there's something you can do about hair loss. There's nothing you can do about losing your hair, and if you're bald, you're bald. Your grandfather was bald. Your Uncle Barry was bald. Get used to it. You're in good company. Hell no! Dad doesn't know what the hell he's talking about because Dad didn't tell you about Bosley, today's video sponsor and the greatest thing to happen to hair loss since Bosley. Bosley is America's #1 hair restoration experts. Fact is, if you are in any stage of hair loss, whether or not you think you might be losing a few extra strands, you've already started to go bald, or you are completely bald and you want to change things, there's a link down below to go grab the free hair restoration guide. It's your complete guide to hair loss and hair restoration. That guide is going to go over all the information you need to know. It talks about hair loss, it talks about the various treatment options from just starting to lose it to completely bald. Think of Bosley as the hair doctors. If you've got a toothache, what do? You go to the dentist. If you've got eye problems, right, and you can't see exactly. If your spicy senorita isn't looking as good as she used to, it might be her or it might be your eyes. And so you first go to the eye doctor, an optometrist. Bosley is the hair doctors. Regardless of what stage of hair loss you're in, they've got a solution that can help. Hair loss sucks. There is no way around it. It is emotionally devastating. It is physically not something that most men are interested in experiencing. But guys, I'm telling you, you don't have to suffer like your dad. You don't have to suffer like your Uncle Barry. There is something you can do, but it starts with you hitting that link and going and grabbing the free guide to hair loss and hair restoration. Also, the first 500 people that grab that guide, you're also going to get a $250 gift card if you decide to go in and make an appointment, sit down and talk to a counselor. They can go over your various options, the prices, the costs. Do you think these guys are happy they went to Bosley? Hell yeah, they are. Dad didn't know about Bosley, but you do. And you got no excuse. If you are not happy losing your hair or the fact that you have lost your hair, there's something you can do about it. Guys, link below, grab the guide, grab your gift card, and go make an appointment and talk to somebody at Bosley today. The fourth secret to be more attractive that Daddy didn't tell you about, but Alpha will, is that moisturizing will make you look younger longer. But you don't need to look young. Wrinkles are attractive. Your mom likes me looking old and distinguished. I don't care what mom likes, gentlemen. I care what I like. I don't want to look old. I don't want to look old. I want to look young and handsome as long as humanly possible. And the only way you can do that, gentlemen, is if you start moisturizing. Now, do not wait until like you're my age and old, right? If my dad would have told me when I was a little 6-year-old Alpha, me like, son, if you want to be killing it and slaying it with the senoritas like forever. You should start moisturizing now. I would have done it. And so I missed like 20 years of potential age-defying amazingness. I will never forgive him for that. The fifth secret to be more attractive that your daddy didn't tell you about but Alpha will is that stubble is sexy as a man should be clean shaven if he wants to be looking respectable and like a gentleman. Gentlemen, what the hell is he talking about? Now, back in the day, it was absolutely required that a guy go to work, go out and about with a clean, super fresh shave. But in today's world, it's getting a little bit, actually, it's gotten more acceptable to rock a little bit of stubble action. It's scientifically proven that a little stubble, 10-day stubble specifically, does make a man more attractive. Now, if you're like, yo, I can't grow stubble, that's all right, clean shaven's still sexy. And you can also thank Dad for teaching you how to shave. Or was that me? And last, but should be first, the sixth secret that makes you more attractive is grooming and style is a game changer. Case in point, Chris Pratt. Chris Pratt is the perfect example of how a little grooming, a little style, a little weight loss can go a super freaking long way. It's like, I don't even, like, it is so incredibly apparent when you look at that picture how different you can look and how you can enhance your attraction level just by doing a few little things. Like Chris Pratt, his eyebrows were nuts, his haircut, he lost a little weight, he threw a little stubble action on. He looks like a new man, not to mention his style. He's killing it now. And you can do the same thing, but not if you listen to your father, who's like, I don't care, unibrows are sexy, and these pleated khaki pants, they accentuate my super sweet booty that your mother loves to squeeze.
Ew. It's not that bad.